Hi everyone, welcome to 124th episode of Campus This Week. I'm RJ Astha from Physics Department, Siliguri, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Bharat Trophy, Siliguri, dealers in trophies and mementos. The headlines this week: 8th edition of eComPhyMathix held. Yuva holds orientation and CPR workshop. Science Deanery holds Freshers' Day. Students visit Webel-Fuji Soft Centre of Excellence. Radio Salesian partners with Gorkha Festival. The news and details. Siliguri, 8th edition of eComPhyMathix held. Sakshi Kandoi of Mathematics Department, 5th semester, reports.
The Deanery of Sciences at Salesian College, Siliguri organized its annual school outreach program, eComPhyMathix 8th edition, on 29th August 2023. A total of 258 students from 12 schools of North Bengal participated in 13 events. The program started at 8:30 a.m. with a prayer by Vice Principal of Sciences, Father C.M. Paul, and the opening speech by the Principal, Father Dr. Babu Joseph. The academic-oriented events like MathWiz, Code Chef, BizWiz, Tech Impress, and Capture the Flag were held in the morning. On the other hand, events with more entertaining values like Dumb Charades and Sci Guys were held in the afternoon. There were floating events like Cinema, Mimopia, and Scyscape, which were conducted at the convenience of the participating students. The Game Explosion was a full-day event. At the end of the program, Army Public School Bengdubi secured 3rd position, Don Bosco School Siliguri secured 2nd position, and Don Bosco School Udlabari secured the 1st position.
Sakshi Kandoi reporting. Siliguri, Yuva holds orientation and CPR workshop. Riya of Mass Communication 3rd semester report.
Young Indian Siliguri chapter held an orientation session and CPR workshop on 30th August 2023. Yuva Young Indians is a movement for Indian youth to converge, lead, cooperate and influence India's future. They are an integral part of the Confederation of Indian Industry. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR is an emergency life-saving procedure that is done when someone's breathing or heartbeat has stopped due to a medical emergency such as an electric shock, heart attack or drowning. CPR combines rescue breathing and chest compressions. The first half of the program began with an orientation of what is Young Indians by its coordinator Mrs. Priyanka Shah, along with 2 more leaders representing Yuva. The student members of the Yuva Council of Salesian College also shared their experiences after joining Yuva. In the second half of the session, a CPR session was showcased by 2 staff members from the King's Hospital, Siliguri.
Riya reporting. Siliguri, Science Deanery holds Freshers' Day. Nidhi Sharma of BCA 3rd semester reports.
The Science Deanery hosted an enchanting freshers party on 1st September 2023 with the captivating theme of Barbenheimer. The dress code for the event for boys donning shades of pink and girls in black or any dark nude hue, creating a striking visual contrast. The program started with a sumptuous buffet lunch, allowing students to savor a variety of delectable dishes. The entertainment lineup was spectacular, featuring mesmerizing solo performances, captivating dance routines, and exhilarating live music from talented student bands. Adding a touch of novelty, the newly appointed teachers, Ms. Fudem and Sir Manoj Mahanto, showcased their dancing skills, setting a vibrant tone for the evening. The title of Miss Heimer was bestowed upon Miss Muskan, while Mr. Indrajit received the title of Mr. Barbie.
Nidhi Sharma reporting. Siliguri. Students visit Webel-Fuji Soft Centre of Excellence. Angel Subba of BCA 5th semester reports.
Final year students from Department of Computer Science and Applications and Department of Mathematics attended promotion event of Webel-Fuji Soft Centre of Excellence at Webel IT Park, Siliguri on 30th August 2023. An initiative of the Government of West Bengal, the Center of Excellence in Industry 4.0 is being developed by Webel-Fuji Soft Incorporation and Vara Technology. Manager Academics and Campus Connect Mr. Abir Banerjee and Vice President Academics and Corporate Relations Mr. Anirban Chaudhary facilitated the program. Students were informed about the key areas of recruit, train and deploy strategy that the Center of Excellence is providing for skilling and placements. Representatives from cybersecurity, software development and education companies interacted with the students in online mode. Dean of Training and Placements, Mr. Dhirodata Subba, and HOD Computer Science, Mr. Tane Bhadra, accompanied the students. Vice Principal of Sciences, Father CM Paul, also joined the sessions.
Angel Subba reporting. Sonada. Radio Salesian partners with Gorkha Festival. RJ Wang reports.
The Gorkha Banbo Mahotsav, held annually since 1998, is a platform for the Gorkha community to proudly exhibit their cultural heritage and promote unity. Radio Salesian RJ team participated at the event as radio reporters. This year, members of the Gorkha National Liberation Front led a lively rally through the streets of Darjeeling. The rally began at Darjeeling railway station and traversed Bata Road before culminating at Chaurasta, where the festivities unfolded. A puja ceremony at the Mahakal Baba temple marked the sanctification of the occasion, coinciding with Bhadaure Purnima, an important day in the Hindu lunar calendar. The highlight of the celebration was the Banbo dance, a cherished Gorkha tradition.
RJ Wang reporting. Photo of the week. A group of 5th semester Science Deanery students visit Webel-Fuji Soft Centre of Excellence in Siliguri. This show was brought to you by Bharat Trophies Siliguri, dealers in trophies and mementos. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.